This demonstration of the Swiftsign and Swiftgate automated lane closure system took place at the 2015 ITS World Congress in Bordeaux, France. This short video shows one Swiftsign and 3 Swiftgates going from a retracted position to a deployed position and back to a retracted position. The first part of the system to be deployed is the Swiftsign. The advanced warning sign provides warning to motorists that there will be a change in the road configuration. Flashing beacons can be added to the warning sign for increased visibility. Once the sign is deployed, the operator sends a command to deploy the tapered gates. For this demonstration, the gates within that group are programmed to deploy all together, but they could also deploy in sequence. Flashing LEDs on the chevrons are active when the gates are in motion or in the deployed position to increase system visibility. When the lane needs to be reopened, the sequence of operation is reversed. The Swift gates are retracted first, then the Swiftsign. Again, the group of gates could be programmed to retract in sequence. For this demonstration, the sign and gates are solar-powered and activated using an RF handheld remote control. This setup can be used for temporary or permanent applications. However, the system also allows for wired power and communication for permanent applications requiring these functions. It should also be noted that in a standard roadside application, the signs and gates would typically be mounted on a continuous line of barrier. For more information on different types of applications, please contact a Versilis representative.